social studies teacher. Children, write today's date 4-9-2020. Block 4, losing our homes. What we are doing? We are doing block 4. Okay. What is block 4? Losing our homes. In losing our home, what is today our topic is? Today our topic for today is S2, effects of a hurricane. What is this hurricane, children? It is nothing but, see, hurricane. A large storm with strong high-speed wind that forms over the ocean. This hurricane is nothing but it comes along with strong wind, like this, and where it comes over the oceans itself. What will happen to this hurricane when hurricane occurs? Caused by storm and wind, destroy homes and belongings. So children, what happened? I told you in S1, floods, hurricanes, tsunami and earthquake, these all comes under natural disasters. So this is the meaning of hurricane. What is the meaning of hurricane? A large storm occurs over a ocean. And what happened due to this? Same, destroy the home, property and belongings. Yes? Now let us read in a reader now. Turn to page number 29 in your reader. Now see children, keep your fingers where I am reading. See, cyclone, tornado and hurricane. Cyclone, tornado and hurricane are violent wind blowing at a very high speed, accompanied by heavy rains. They usually form over oceans. Cyclones are common in the coastal areas of West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh and countries like Bangladesh and the USA. They damage human lives and properties. Children, now see. T is a silent letter. This is tsunami. Don't read as tsunami. Tsunami are high waves caused by an earthquake under the ocean and sea. Ocean or sea. What happened to these cyclones, children? They caused under the sea and ocean itself. See, tsunami also happen in coastal areas. A tsunami can kill thousands of people and destroy homes and properties. In 2004, a tsunami in Indian Ocean killed many people and left thousands homeless. Beside these natural disasters, forest fire, landslides and volcano erupt can also lead to a loss of home and lives, children. There are two extra things, children, which I didn't told you in S1. What are that? See children, forest fire. What is this forest fire? A sudden fire in the forest. Landslide. A sudden land will get cracked or big ice will fall. This is known as landslide. You can see here the meaning. Let me show you the meaning. See, landslide. A rock sliding from mountain. Due to this, what will happen, children? Many houses and properties, plants and trees and human beings' lives will destroy itself. Next, the table below show the extent to which some natural disasters can damage our lives. See, natural disasters, where and when it occurs, important impact on people, children. See, first one is flood, Bihar 2008. What happened in Bihar 2008? Killed about 400 people. What killed, children? Flood killed in Bihar 2008. Killed about 400 people and left nearly 3 million people homeless. Earthquake, Kashmir 2005. What happened in earthquake 2005 Kashmir? Killed about 75,000 people and 3.5 million people lost their homes. Tsunami, Japan 2011. Killed more than 15,000 people and destroyed the home of over 20,000 people itself. See, cyclone, Bangladesh 2013. Destroy thousands of hunts and forests, almost 1 million people to leave their homes and escape itself, children. Now next is hurricane. United States of America, means USA. 2005 killed about 1,800 people and destroyed around 2,75,000 homes. Next is tornado. United States of America, 1999, more than 8,000 homes were destroyed. See children here, home destroyed by the tsunami in Japan 2011. This is a picture of Japan 2011 children due to tsunami. See how it destroyed home properties, land, and see plants and trees and animals. Children, now turn to page number 25 in your workbook. See here children, S2, effects of a hurricane. Write today's date 4-9-2020. Read the newspaper report and answer the question below. Here it is a small news. Okay, now let me read here. Deadly hurricane hits many cities by a reporter. A reporter wrote about a hurricane itself. So let me read now. Keep your fingers where I am reading. 29 August 2005, a hurricane that formed over the Atlantic Ocean destroyed many cities of the United States of America. The hurricane strong wind blows at the speed of over 270 kilometers per hour. Some people were sleeping peacefully when the roofs of their house were blown away and the walls came crashing down. Those who tried to escape were badly injured. The cities of New Orleans came under the water and a large number of homes and belongings were destroyed. Thousands of people left New Orleans and other cities in the region, leaving behind everything they owned. One person who lost his home told the reporter, "I used to be a dishwasher and I am the only earning member in my family. This was the only home I had. I had lost everything and have nowhere to go. I am not sure how long I will have to wait till I get a home and a job." So children, this was a story. Now see children, this is your first answer. How did the hurricane affect people? Answer is here only children. First answer. Come to third line. Some people were sleeping peacefully when the roof of their houses were blown away and many walls came crashing down. Till down it is your first point. This is your second point. Continue. In next line you should write, those who tried to escape were badly injured. Till injured it is your second point. Now third point. The cities of New Orleans came under water and a large number of homes and belongings were destroyed. Till destroyed it is your first answer. Okay children, now see second answer. What similarities can you find in the way people have been affected by the floods in Uttarakhand and the hurricane in United States? Now children, open your reader, page number 29. Now see, this is your second answer. Tick here children. First point you write here, floods. Floods, you write here first point, floods in Bihar 2008 killed about, this one you should write, killed about 400 people and left nearly 3 million people homeless. Second point about hurricane is asking, because he is asking here about flood in Uttarakhand and hurricane in United States. So here it is a United States and here it is about floods. This is your first point and this is your second point. This is your second answer. Third one, what can be done for those affected in the hurricane? Now this is your own answer children. You should write how you are going to help the people. For example, I am telling you the answer. I will help them by bringing an ambulance, by calling to an ambulance and take them to the doctor. Like this you can write your own point. Okay children, understood? Kindly complete this. Okay, thank you.